it's Angela Profit. I'm doing my little champion dance because you are getting the must have apps for entrepreneurs downloaded to your inbox right now. And congratulations, like you're taking the first step in knowing how to sync your business, your clients, and your life with technology. Guys, it's hard out there. I totally understand. Like, as a business owner, I don't get up and feel like a champion every day. But let me tell you, when I automate my back end of my business and we're paperless and I have everything backed up, it definitely makes me feel like a little bit more of a champion when I can tell my clients that every single day. And so, all the apps in this guide that I've shared with you, they're really 99% free. It just takes a little bit of time in implementing these things and a little bit of change. If you don't change something, you're never going to get a different outcome. And I actually have an exclusive offer for you today. If you don't want to go through the book and figure out how to do it on your own, I have a workshop coming up. It's my Let's Get Tech Savvy. And so you bring all of your tech tools, your laptop, your iPad, your iPhone. We're going to sync everything. It's really life changing. And I know this because everyone that comes to this workshop leaves completely blown away. We take time to implement. It's really hands on and we have a lot of fun. So, guys, click the link below. I want to invite you. We have an exclusive offer going on right now. So, make sure you click the link below and come join me at my Let's Get Tech Savvy class and enjoy that must have apps book. Have a great day. I'll see you in class. Bye.